Welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner, and if you've already subscribed, welcome back. As you can see, this video is focused on my walking robot Mirft2 made of fischertechnik and based on the TXT controller, which runs embedded Linux and is programmed in Python. 3 battery packs with an electricity cable, a piece for reinforcement, and an AC adapter. Yeah, the robot works, it walks, but last time there were some power issues. So before I reuse the power adapter, I want to see if applying 2 battery packs instead of 1, which is placed here, will help out the power issue. If not, then I'll have to reside to the power adapter, AC adapter. Then the camera on front is intended to see and distinguish colors on these objects. And when it walks, well, the camera points a little bit down instead of horizontal. So that's a problem that I need to attend to as well. Anyway, let's see how the power issue works out, because that will be a nice thing to see, or not so nice, depending on the outcome. Okay, so via screencast, and 3 terminals are, as you can see, source, output and display image. The upper 2 terminals are actually on the controller, and the bottom right one, so this one is on the laptop. And of course the camera. So what I was referring to, this piece, is necessary for here, because if I will lift the robot a little bit, you can see these are not quite aligned, and last time it turned out that the gears here are pushing this part of the frame outside. So what I have to do is align them and then put this part in here to avoid them pushing them apart. So now the gears will stay in place, which is, needless to say, important. Then next part, applying battery pack, and all 3 have been freshly charged, so they should be 8.4 volts, but they always start at 9 volts, which is good. So first this one, power up, and then give a command, or log in and give a command, and then see if it stays powered on, and then apply a second battery pack if needed. So let's go. Power on. Alright, now I'm ready for test. First RoboPro to see if I have enough battery charge, which is 5.2 volts. I can hardly believe that. 4. And there it goes. That means that the battery pack was not fully charged. Not fully charged at all. So that means that I have to take one of the others. Hopefully it is fully charged. Now I wonder which one is this. 2. Okay, and this one is, okay, then this one is 3. and that's the risk of taking a battery pack, but they were all indicated as fully charged. Oops. What happens now? Alright, next one. Let's see how this one works out. This one is 9 volts. Okay, that's a relief. However, what does it do? So yeah, I do need, see, I need to relog in here. Here the same, no problem that for so far. How about the date? Wrong date. So let me do that pretty quickly. 4 and today is 21st. Then it's 12 and it's 49. Now it's correct. And source code, it's this one. So let's run and see how the power goes. If anything happens at all. And the point is, of course, that there are 4 motors involved, 2 for each side, which take, of course, quite a bit of power. So, what does it do? Nothing. And indeed it does absolutely nothing. It doesn't move, it doesn't do a thing. I don't hear anything going on, which is not good for a walking robot. It sends its pictures, but that's all it does. And so I'm wondering why it doesn't do anything. Okay, let's take some pictures. So display and then TXT image, and then let's say 50. I don't mind. 30. Yeah. 50 and then 30. Okay. Well, it does really see the object in this position. So let's take the resulting image, which is not bad. It's not bad, but it should walk. Okay, so quit. And now I have to be careful by applying the second battery pack. See if that makes a difference. Alright, as you can see, I have applied the second, oh that's the wrong one by the way, the second battery pack to the first battery pack, but this is the wrong battery pack, this is the 2 volts. So I need this one. And then putting it here, being careful and apply it like this. So hopefully this gives enough power to make it stable, hold it and run and actually walk, as is the intention. So once again, go. Waiting for result on the display. Error in camera set. I don't need that one. Once more. Okay, speed. Okay, so this was no solution. But clearly, 2 battery packs actually work. And that's the end of the run. So now let's see about the pictures. So one important point is that with these pictures you can see that it doesn't really matter for this what the position of the camera is. Either it is completely up in the image or it is low in the image. So thanks to the wide range of the camera angle, the object will be visible anyway, and that's an important point to see. If it would have been out of range completely, it would have been no use, but that's not the case. So next thing, reconstruction, so the second battery pack will be held in place. And with a small addition to hold the second battery pack, let's see how much voltage it actually measures. Well, 9 volts, not surprising. But what's the result in walking now? And the surface is quite flat and no let's say resistance in walking. So what will it do? So far, nothing. Absolutely nothing. So that's disappointing. Once again, I needed to walk, and don't let it be coincident that it did walk. Network error. Once again. Speed. Yep, there it goes. Well, it moves more than it walks, and once again that is due to the fact that there's hardly any way to really push off. So with my finger held here, it does kind of walk. But this one stays in its place, and that is very important. And that's the end of the run. So, considering everything, nice success, yes. And with these nice results, I say thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel via the thumbnail in the bottom right corner. Please leave a comment or suggestion under the video, very much appreciated. You can also follow me via Twitter and Instagram. And this is of course going to be continued. Please showing support by either becoming a patron and may have your name mentioned. Please also check my Patreon page. Or you can just make a donation via either PayPal or IBAN, and you don't need an account for PayPal to do that via PayPal. Going to be continued, so for now stay safe, take care, and bye.